Yes, hello guys and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so it is 62 days to JAMB examination. All right, and a lot of students are now there's tension. Some people just registered, this week, some today. It's I feel maybe they didn't know that, oh, they would be able to register. And when you register, it now gets serious. You are sitting for an exam. So how do you prep almost in 60 days? I will advise that you get the DTW 30 days timetable. All right, and I have put this on our website. A lot of people have been coming to my WhatsApp asking for the timetable. All right, I have put it on the DTW website. Okay, you just visit dtwtutorials.com. All you need to do is you can just come here, come to downloads. You will see, come to syllabus, and you will see it here. But it's like the first top thing here, so just click on it. All right, it's going to take us to the syllabus. All right, so this is, I have used as the JAMB 2025 syllabus and created a timetable for you. So all you need to do, just go down. All right, just go down. You can read through. I'm just advertising the app and our classes. All right, so if you're interested in our online classes, do join us. Okay, and our app. Please, when you are studying, you need a CBT app, and I tell you, get the DTW JAMB CBT app. It works offline, so no distraction. So when you're studying, you can use it to practice. All right, so you can download it on Google Play Store, and you would see all the features. So for the timetable, all you need to do is just come here and just click download. All right, you can see here, this is for commercial students. This is commerce, account, English, maths, English. This is for arts. This is government. These are for law people. This is the popular subject combination for students. Then for my science people, these are the major two combination for science people. This is for people go for engineering, and this is for medicine and sciences. So all you need to do is just click download. All right, and it's going to download on your system. Can you see that? To just download on your system or your phone. All right, so should I download this again? Okay, let me just download it. All right, and let me open it and show you so let's open it up and show you the timetable I'm talking about. All right, so when you have something like this, you can see here day one physics. So I've broken each of your subject combination, the four of them. Every day there are topics that you are supposed to read. I tell you, follow this. It's a challenge. You can cover your syllabus in 30 days. Several people over the years have been using it. I've this timetable, this structured timetable for 2 years now, and there's a lot of testimonies. In fact, someone from a tutorial center called me and said he's using this timetable for his students. Are you with me? I'm like, so this timetable has gone far. It was just a strategy the Lord dropped in my mind. Say, create a timetable for this, for the students. I want to say these kids, but you guys are grown-ups, all right? For DTW students, to help them, to guide them within 1 month. So you can do it. You can finish up. So you have 62 days. I tell you, if you can try to finish this thing up in 1 month by reading your textbook, then the next month, the next 30 days, pick up the DTW JAMB CBT app and start practicing. Wait, first, let me open the app so you know why I want you to use the app, a particular feature that will really, really help you to study. Okay, so you pick it up the next 30 days, and you now use the timetable and use your app and start practicing under those topics. Do you understand what I mean? That is what you do. Sorry, I don't know why it's delaying. Okay, my system is a bit slow, but let me go back to the document. All right, so you pick it up You pick, let's say there's a feature on DTW app where you just select this measurement and unit, you type it on the app, question search, it will bring out questions on measurement and unit. Practice it. Are you with me? You have to now, if you're starting to read today, you have to plan now. Strategy, I've given you a strategy. 30 days, stay with your notes. If you don't want to open textbook, you can use the DTW app. There's classroom notes. Okay, it has opened here. All right, it has opened. It's opening. There's classroom. Let me show you. There are notes there. Okay, you can use the notes. If you know textbook is going to make you, you'll be under tension and all that, use the classroom notes. Select your subjects and read. Do you get my point? All right, all your subjects are here. Select and read. Cover them, and inside it you would see for each. Let us go to chemistry quickly. All right, this is my laptop. On your phone it's because on your phone you see it's a bit more mobile compatibility. Can you see it? Each topic you read the note. It even has exercises to test you after you finish reading. You see that you finish reading, there's exercise to test you. Please, I beg of you. All right, when you are done, you can now start. When you finish reading, then you practice under exam condition. This is where the main practice is. You select your subject. All right, select your subject. You come here, select the year you want to practice. Select the year you want to practice on, and you now set your timer. This is your timer. I always tell students, practice under 1 hour 30 minutes. Don't use 2 hours. Okay, there's a video I've done on time management, and when you practice with 1 hour 30 minutes, you see that you have 30 minutes to go back and do any corrections. Do you get my point? So please, I beg you, you can still do it. So download this from the site and get the DTW JAMB CBT app. It's 4,000 naira to activate. It's all your past questions. You see the years, all those your paper book, everything is inside here with the solution. When you finish, there's solutions. Okay, if you want you want to search for a particular topic, questions on a particular topic, come and use the question search. Are you with me? Come and use the question search. Let's say you want to search for, let's say, something under chemistry. Okay, you want to search for Charles' law. I just want to quickly show you this. Okay, within seconds it will look for questions. Can you see it? It will look for all questions like this, all the questions on what Charles. 1 minute. It will look for all the questions on Charles' law, the years that is coming from, and populate it here for you to practice. Do you see that? So please, I beg of you, it is time to study. Do not give up. Okay, do not give up. It is time to study. Can you see this? All right, so please download it. You can do it. 30 days, put in all your effort. Let me tell you, these 2 months, sacrifice so that you don't need to come back and write this thing again. And I have given you tools. I'm giving you strategies now. Download this. Day 1, finish this thing. You can finish it. Be determined, be focused. Are you with me? When you finish, open your DTW CBT app and practice. You can do it. You are destined to win. All right, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. All right, so the website is dtwtutorials.com. All right, this is the website. You are destined to win. See you in our next video.